How to make TikTok videos. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, if you haven't installed the app, go ahead and do so from your Play Store and then open TikTok. If you're not logged in, go ahead and do so by clicking on Profile at the bottom and you'll see Sign In option. Click on that to sign in. Now to create TikTok video, click on the plus sign at the bottom. To choose music, click on Add Sound at the top. Click on the sound that you want to make your TikTok video to. You can also search for a specific sound at the search bar at the top. Once you've chosen which song, click on it and then click on this tick mark. You can also click on this scissor icon to choose which part of the video that you want to use. Once you've selected it, click on Done. You can choose the speed by clicking on this 1x speed option and choose how fast or slow you want to make your TikTok video. To flip your camera, you can click on this flip to use the front camera and click flip again to use the back camera. To use filters, click on filter and select the filter that you want to use for your video. If you want to beautify, click on beautify. If you want to make a video hands-free, click on timer. Select the timer, 3 seconds or 10 seconds, and then click on start recording. To do it manually, hold down this red button. If you're satisfied with the clip that you've recorded, click on this red tick mark. You can edit some more by clicking on edit. You can use templates by clicking on templates, add text and stickers, change your voice, trim your video, change the volume, or change the privacy settings to your video. Once you're ready to share, click on next. So you can create up to 4,000 characters, use hashtags, mention people, and you can also tag people. You can choose who can view this post by clicking on this arrow. You can tap to manage comment, do it, and you can also share to different platforms. Once you're ready to post, click on post. If you want to save it for later, click on drafts and it will be saved for your drafts where only you'll be able to access it. So this is how to make TikTok videos. Thanks for watching till the end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.